Megan. I've had CRPS for 4 years now. I got it by stepping on a nail. We did aggressive physiotherapy. I was on gabapentin, tramadol, Tramacet. I did cold laser therapy, medical marijuana. I did a pain clinic. Nothing helped. The lowest I got to was about a 4. I came here at around a 9, and I'm leaving today at a 0.
My name is Nathalie. We came all the way from Calgary, Alberta. We found Dr. Cooney 4 years too late. He completely saved us. He gave my daughter her life back. It's unbelievable what he's done, and if I keep talking I'm going to start crying, so it's pretty amazing.